kale bye bye. Fene jackfruit. Let me show you fruits here. They make nursery beds of fruits. Which ones are these? I wanted to buy a tree here. This is rosemary. Here. Rosemary. It's a nursery bed. These are passion fruits. Here they are preparing to plant some. Let me show you. These are passion fruits. These ones I don't know. Rosemary. Sukuma wiki. Kales. Which ones are these? Passion fruits. And these ones I don't know. For fencing. This is coffee. Hey, coffee, some more soils. I love this kind of the tree. Which one should I buy? This is a very beautiful flower. I love these trees. These ones are beautiful, but me, I love these ones. These trees. Maybe I should buy this one. Should buy this one because I love it in the compound. What do you say? I'm gonna buy this one. Let me bargain, then I buy this one. That one is a shade. Must buy this. Let me go here. I bargain, then I buy that one. Oranges.